Determining the best ladder size depends on the specific tasks. A 16-foot extension ladder can reach up to 28 to 32 feet when extended, but it can be difficult to maneuver inside a house due to its size. It's best for projects that require reaching heights of up to 12 to 16 feet, such as painting walls, cleaning gutters, or accessing attic storage. A 20-foot extension ladder can reach up to 36 to 40 feet when extended. It can be bulky and heavy to carry, but is best for projects that require reaching heights of up to 18 to 24 feet, such as installing or repairing exterior floodlights, servicing head height on two-story houses, or reaching higher levels of cathedral ceilings. A 24-foot extension ladder can reach up to 44 to 48 feet when extended, providing the most reach. It's extremely long and heavy, making it difficult to maneuver and transport. It's best for projects that require reaching very high heights, such as working on the roof, trimming tall trees, or accessing high electrical lines. Based on the description of tasks, a 20-foot extension ladder would be a good compromise. It can handle most common tasks, including servicing head height on a two-story house, installing exterior floodlights, and reaching higher levels of ceilings. Consider the weight of the ladder and the materials you will be carrying, especially when extended. Make sure you have a vehicle and storage space that can accommodate the size of the ladder you choose. Ensure that the ladder is rated for the intended use and always follow proper safety precautions when using an extension ladder.